Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crazy Gamer. Today we will be learning how to change your avatar in Mini Militia Doodle Army 2. So in order to change your avatar in Mini Militia, launch open the Mini Militia app on your device. From the main menu, go ahead and tap on Avatar on the left hand side menu. Now, here you can modify various aspects of your avatar. Choose different facial features, hairs, body top, accessories, or outfits from the available menu. You can also go ahead and add accessories such as hats or glasses to your avatar. After making selections and after you are done with your character customization, you can then get back to the home page and you will be able to change your avatar in Mini Militia. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel for more Mini Militia tutorials. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.